Happy Saturday! October is ending and we're so excited to give away one free starter kit, maybe two if we get enough entries. Who knows? Why not, right? So all you have to do in order to enter one of our starter kits right here, which we're giving away that one, we'll go over it in a second, is just make sure you leave a comment and, oh my God, sorry, make sure you leave a comment and fill out the form or message your consultant giveaway. I want to enter either way so they can enter you to win as well. So my name is Claudia Bazar. I'm a National Executive Director with Pampered Chef, and I also have
Samantha Pyro, Director with Pampered Chef.
Yeah, and we're here to show you all of our starter kits, okay? Not just 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Well, actually this month it's 5 of them, and you can start your own Pampered Chef business for as little as $25. So if you have any questions while we're on live, drop your questions below so we can answer them. And make sure you comment, you tag your consultant, you message your consultant giveaway. Find a way to get into this Google form to fill it out so you can be entered to win as well. So we're going to go over all 5 starter kits, but again, yes, we're giving one away, but you know what? At the end of the day, it's $25, guys. Like literally, I spend, I mean, I'm sure you do too. What is it, Target?
Yeah,
Mine's
yeah,
Target.
exactly.
Yeah, like I will go to Target for milk, you know, and I've spent $150. So sometimes I think we overthink the $25 and we're like, oh my God, I'm signing my life away. There's literally there's no inventory, there's no extra cost. Like you could literally purchase a kit for $25 and never do anything. Not that that's what we want, but you know, don't overthink it. If you could use a little extra holiday income, if you love to cook, want to learn how to cook, love the Pampered Chef products, just sign up with your consultant today, and maybe you'll make a little bit extra income before the holidays, right? Can we use some extra holiday income?
Always.
Yeah, right. So if you join now, you will get November 7th, November 21st, and December 7th. And December 21st. So you'll get 4 more checks before Christmas.
Right.
So, right? That's cool,
Definitely.
right? Okay, so let's see. Let us know if you're watching live or in replay. Make sure you tag your consultant. And somebody says, please bring back the large ceramic jelly roll. It's so funny. It's like the second person today. Do you know that Pampered Chef used to have a jelly roll? It was before my time. It was before I joined 12 years ago, right?
Wow.
It's crazy. I don't know. So yeah, I guess we'll have to bring it back. So, all right. So here we go. Let's start off. Should we start off with the $25 kit, which is the one that we're giving away?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
You want to do that one?
Sure. So with this kit here, you get a sample of the taste buds. That's our subscription program. So you get a seasoning and a recipe for the onion burgers. You get your own, there we go, scraper. You get the website, your very own website, and everything you need to run your business for 3 months. You get your very own apron, how to track your business, the rewards that you can earn. You can keep all of that next to you as you work so you know how you are on track. You get catalogs. Oh my gosh, keeps going and going. You get Season's Best. You could keep one, give one away. Here we go. Product info cards, recipes for success for your business. I got it all. Website. So
that is the starter kit that we're giving away, which is basically this entire box. Okay, we're going to give away at least one. If we get lots of entries, we might even give away 2, right? So make sure you, again, just fill out the Google form. If you can't find it right now, if you don't see it in the live, just tag your consultant or just message them. Just go message them right now and just say, giveaway, I need the giveaway form. And they can make sure they enter you to win, or you fill out the form and you get entered to win. So this is kit number 1 right now, but only for a couple more days. Monday is the last day, right? Monday, Halloween. Don't wait till the last day of the month, but you could literally just try it for $25. If you really can't afford the $25, then go ahead and enter to win. But you can still enter to win and still join, and we'll just reimburse you the $25 too. So, all right, that was kit number 1. Kit number 2, right here.
Yep. So we move on to our Stoneware launch bundle.
Yeah, because maybe you're like, oh, I want some products. All right, this $25 kit is great, but I have more money to spend and I want some more products. So kit number 2 is our Stoneware launch bundle. So how many of you guys have Stoneware? Raise your hand, put a 1 in the chat if you love Stoneware. Okay, so right here, this is our $50 starter kit, okay? So if you win, you can also apply your $25 credit to any of our starter kits that we show you today, okay? That's an option as well. So for those of you guys just joining, you're like, what are we doing? We're giving away starter kits, okay? We're giving them away $25 starter kits or credit. So all you gotta do is message your consultant giveaway or fill out the Google form, okay? So let's go on to the $50 starter kit. It comes with the large bar pan, which, by the way, if you just want to shop too, make sure you contact your consultant. All unglazed stoneware pieces are 15% off until the end of the month. But this pan right here is $49, right? So for $50, you can just decide to join Pampered Chef and give it a try. So you get this large bar pan. You get a little mini serving spatula that I couldn't find. I don't know where it went. I have like 5 of them, but that's okay. You get a little serving spatula. And then each of the following kits that we're about to show you, they all come with these 6 products. So they all come with these flexible cutting mats. You get a set of 3. They all come with our blue knife, our chef's knife. They all come with our famous garlic press. They all come with our little measuring spoons. And they all come with our super veggie enrichable and a large seasoning as well. So for $50, you get all, not this, you get all these right here, right? Plus the box in the back. So that's our Stoneware launch bundle. So again, if you have any questions or you ever wanted to know, if you ever wanted to be a consultant, you wanted to figure out what it is that we're doing, just ask us questions and we will answer them live. Okay, sounds good. Okay, cool. So you want to show them kit number 3.
So cast iron.
Cast iron.
So we have our cast iron launch bundle here. You have the 12-inch cast iron pan. You have the, make sure this is right, our citrus press, our chef tongs over there. We have the oh so popular mix and chop. Everybody should have one of these by now.
Yeah, that's a must, right?
Right? And then you get everything here as well in the center. I'm missing something. Oh, right here. Our salad choppers here. You could also use these for chicken. Just going through this. Oh, and then our rapid prep mandolin and everything straight down this aisle back here as well. Everything in the box, the mats, the knife, measuring spoons, garlic press. Yeah.
And what's the total
So
and how much is it worth?
It's worth over $445, and you get all of that for only $100.
Yeah, it's like the best way, right?
Yeah, this alone is what, 70, I think, by itself. So
yeah, for sure. Yeah, and don't forget too that all of our products have a huge warranty, right? So if you could literally use a Pampered Chef product for a whole year and return it if you don't like it, even used, which is pretty cool, right? So our warranty is really amazing. We have some products have a 1 year, 3 year, and some even have a lifetime warranty as well. All right, so kid, we showed you kid number 1, $25 worth $95. Those are the ones we're giving away. We showed you kid number 2, which is a Stoneware launch bundle, which is $50 and worth
over $260.
over $260, and then the cast iron launch bundle,
$100 over $445.
all right.
Product.
Should we show
Next
the
up
next
is
one?
the air fryer launch bundle.
Okay, who still needs an air fryer?
Oh
Somebody
goodness.
posted the other day, like, you know you're grown up when you have an air fryer, right?
That's right.
So who needs an air fryer? And we've actually had lots of people upgrade their air fryers because ours is more like a mini oven and it does a lot of things, okay? So our air fryer launch bundle, let me tell you, this is a $725 value and you can get it for just $200. You're gonna get all these products, okay? So watch out here. So this is, of course, our air fryer right here, right? So this one right here is actually already over $200. So you're getting this air fryer. You're getting our coating trays so you can make your like cutlets or fried goodies, right? You get our pocket pie maker so you can make like your little pocket pies and puff pastries and stuff like that. You also get our chef tongs right here. You also get our manual food processor, so you have like a little handy dandy food processor in your home. And then you also get the rapid prep mandolin, and wait, there's more. You also get our micro cooker and all these items. So this whole shabam, $200 worth $725. So that's the air fryer launch bundle. So again, even if you win, you can apply your $25 credit towards the air fryer launch bundle. Is anybody that doesn't have an air fryer yet? Right? I think a lot of people do. So, but that's why we have multiple kits. If you already have our air fryer, if you have our air fryer, comment below. I know many of you guys have it and love it. So, all right, on to the Big Daddy, the last one.
Oh my gosh, let me tell you, I am obsessed with this. Yes. So this is our grill launch bundle. Okay, it's over $900. You get it for $250. The grill alone, as the kit with all the extra plates, I think it's over $400. So you get our grill and griddle. You get, let me show you up and close, waffle plates. You get your griddle, and then you also get the grill plates with that. Okay, so those down, and then we have the micro cooker as well. We have the food processor, which my 2-year-old absolutely loves, and she helps me cook, and when she sees this come out, she gets so excited. So we have that. We have the rapid prep mandolin, the tongs, the measure all over there. What else do we have? Our grater over here too, which I love, so it protects your fingers with the guard. Okay, and let's see, what am I missing here? Our bowl, whisk, and then the waffle and pancake mix as well. Okay. Batter bowl there. And then you get everything as well down the center there. So this kit is $250 and it's over a $900 value.
That's like a Christmas delivery right there, right?
That's right.
So we showed you all 5 kits. So again, if you're just joining us, I know we have several of you guys just joining us now. This is a great way to ask us any questions, anything you ever wanted to know about the Pampered Chef business opportunity. Yeah, trying to make sure you guys can see all this.
Yeah.
So this is a good time to ask questions. But again, we're giving away several $25 starter kits. So make sure you contact your consultant to say, enter me to win in this giveaway. Or just find the Google form either in this link or, you know, just get into the Google form and fill it out so we can enter you to win. So, okay, so Samantha, you want to tell them a little bit about your story? You're still kind of brand new a little bit.
So I started in January. It was my birthday, and I had a party with Claudia. And my gosh, it was just a time in my life where I wasn't sure what I was going to do forever. COVID kind of threw me off, and I started being home with my baby. I can't spit this out. There's so much to say. Okay, so I was home a lot more. I also work with my father, and we have a really awesome relationship. But I was like, you know, there could be something else that I could do for me as well. And I had a bunch of hand-me-downs in my kitchen, and I was like, maybe I can do this. So I had an awesome party, and I wound up getting kit credit, and I actually went with the grill and griddle because I needed this. And
most people do go with the air fryer or the grill and griddle.
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah, definitely. And I use it pretty much, I don't know, a couple times a week. I'm obsessed with it. And hello there. And I don't know, I just fell in love. I thought, okay, let me replace my hand-me-downs. And oh, here's a little extra income coming in. And then I started earning free products. And everything in my kitchen I've earned for free, all of my new stuff there, which is really amazing. And then I was able to promote to director in my first 3 months. And I don't know, everything just took off. It was a really big confidence booster for me, and just a little something extra for me too, and also to help support my family as well.
Yay!
Yeah.
So you could be like Samantha, right? So maybe you're looking for some extra income. Maybe you're looking for, we have a lot of people that join us to, like you said, like upgrade your kitchen. Like you're like, oh my God, all I do is get hand-me-downs. I can't afford the good stuff. So, or maybe you're going through kitchen renovations. We have a lot of people that join us during that kind of stage in their life. So I agree with you. I mean, I haven't paid for a kitchen product in like 10 years. So it shows up for free every 6 months. So I never have to pay for any kitchen item. So that's a way to not only make money, but save money too, right? So rather than going out there looking for deals on other places. So so whether you are looking for, like I said, kitchen upgrades, want to stock your kitchen, whether you are a Pampered Chef lover, so first of all, let me tell you that Pampered Chef is a solid company. It's owned by Warren Buffett. It's been around for 42 years, so it's definitely not going anywhere. And especially during times like this, we love to help people and teach them how to just cook dinner at home, save some money because things are getting more expensive. So you don't actually even need to know how to cook or love how to cook. We've taught people that barely knew how to boil water to, now love to cook, or at least do it because you have to, because maybe you're a mom and you got to get dinner on the table, right? So there's all kinds of different reasons. Or maybe you are, maybe you will work full time. Most of our consultants, 80% of our consultants work full time, and for them this is a fun little side gig that they can do in the evenings instead of watching Netflix and make a couple extra $100 a month. We have a lot of teachers, we have a lot of nurses. They find this is their like fun day job, like fun kind of like thing where they don't have to think a lot, or it kind of distracts them from their stressful day-to-day life. And then we also have some people that do this full time, like me, that we work from home. It's what we do all day, every day, and we're able to provide completely for our families like a full-time income and more as well. So we have all kinds of people, right? Whether you're looking for an extra couple $100, a little bit of money to pay off some debt, or maybe go on vacation or whatever, or you're looking for full-time income, all that is available for you at the Pampered Chef. All you gotta do is enter to win the starter kit, or just say heck with it, it's only $25, or I want all this stuff anyways, and you can just purchase one of our large starter kits as well, okay? I will tell you, I've been doing this for 12 years, and before Pampered Chef, I was super shy. I know you probably don't believe me because you haven't known me that way yet, but I was super shy, I was super introverted. I probably would have never stood in front of a camera. I was the girl that in high school would like get all blotchy and red if they got, when you got called up, you're like, oh God, not me, or if you have to do a presentation, it was awful. We were living paycheck to paycheck. And I always was struggling between like being a new mom and wanting to be a stay-at-home mom, but also still wanting a career because I was always a worker. Like I've worked since I was 14. And then Pampered Chef came into my life. It just kind of happens. It comes to us. We don't go really seeking it. It just kind of happens. It comes to us. And now I'm definitely not as shy as I used to be. I'm still a little introvert at heart. We definitely no longer live paycheck to paycheck. I was able to retire my husband, so he stays home with us, and I'm able to provide for my entire family. And I get to be both. I get to still be a stay-at-home mom. I still like to call myself that, but still be there for my children when they call and they're sick, or they forgot their sports bag, or they forgot their lunch, or I need to go volunteer at the school. Like I'm able to do all those things for my kids and my family. So we invite you to join us, okay? Again, you can just enter to win, message your consultant, just say, hey, I want into that giveaway, or fill out the Google form if you find it here in this live. And at the end of the day, it's only $25, but actually many people are choosing to purchase a larger kit because the value is great. So we're not in the business of selling kits. We don't make any money depending on what kit you choose. So we really don't care. It's really just what works for you. But it is a great time to join. We, our sales are up. It's the holiday season. People are purchasing stuff to entertain, gifts, baking gifts. Like we have all those things. So you can even just join to purchase your own holiday gifts and make some money off of it and save some money instead of going out there and running around through the crazy stores. So if you have any questions, comment below. I don't see any right now, so we'll come back after the live and answer questions, or you can just message your consultant directly, or you can just post it in here, or find a way to get your questions answered, and we will definitely help you. So we've been on live for 20 minutes, so unless there's any other, did we miss anything else?
I think so.
Oh, I know what I missed. So when you do decide to join us, you kind of getting lucky. You're joining one of the top teams in the country. So if you've ever had a Pampered Chef catalog, you'll see my picture on here. Okay, so we are one of the top teams in the country. We have about 1,500 consultants on our team all over the country, even outside of the U.S. for military bases. We have systems in place, right? Like you joined, it was super easy. Here you go.
Definitely.
Here's all of our systems. Here's how to do X, Y, Z. We have weekly trainings. We have weekly support. We have groups. We have chats. We have all those things. So we're definitely not, somewhere where you join and you're like, okay, here, have fun.
Yeah.
Figure it out, Sarah, right? But no, we're here to help you every step of the way.
Someone is always available.
There's always, our chats are always digging, so that's not a problem. We might even have too much training, but I'd rather say too much than not enough, and it'd be quiet, right?
Yeah,
so,
for sure.
So if you've ever done something like this and it didn't work out, then we can definitely help you with that. So I think that's it. We'll leave you guys alone for the rest of the weekend. You have until October 31st to join with a $25 starter kit. And you have 24 hours to fill out the form or enter the giveaway, so that way we can follow up with you tomorrow and get you signed up. So if there's any other questions, comment below. And if not, we wish you a happy Halloween, I guess. Have a fun, spooky season. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.